Hi guys, we're Courts Meeks and we're at Camp Creator 2021.
And we are here with Polly and Sam from Freedom Strider. They're going to give you a little bit of an intro about themselves and then give us a tour of their van in 3 minutes.
So hi guys, if you don't know us already, we're Polly and Sam, we're from Freedom Strider and we're converting our 2014 long wheelbase Crafter into our tiny house to take with us and live in full time. It's about 80% complete at the moment, so we'll give you a quick tour. And,
yep, so this is our living room. This is our nice big couch. It is also currently the guest bed, though we are kind of using it as a main bed. It is a pull-out contraption.
Yeah, so both of these can pull out to convert it into a double bed, and then when we don't want to, we can just retract it away back into this L couch. Then under the front, we've got our power bank systems. We've got 200 amp hours of lithium. We've got 570 watts of solar on the roof going into that, and we've also got a 50 amp DC to DC charger from the van's alternator also charging our battery, so we should have plenty of power. And then in this part of the L couch we've got a diesel hydronic heater that's mounted under the van, and we've got like a mini glycol root pump that goes around, so it also heats our air which comes out under here through an air matrix. We've got a future heat exchanger which is installed but not connected up to our water system, which will be for our shower.
Which you can see and visualize here. It is lovely and cozy and it's going to be great, and our toilet is going to be nicely nestled in there as well.
This bit's not done yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And right down here, from our heating system, we have a glycol pipe running all the way through our floor, going all the way to the back, and that is hopefully going to give us some really nice and cozy
underfloor heating.
Nights at winter. So yeah, that is the front, and then as we come to the back, well, we have all of our cladding, and something really interesting about our van is we've tried really hard to make it lightweight. For example, all of our walls are made of 3mm poplar ply, which is extremely thin, but as you can see, I'm not falling through them, which is a bonus. So that has been a real concern for us, the weight. So as you can see, everything is kind of airy and lightweight. Yeah, and which is also why I have this, because we need more seating, and this happens to be my favorite seat in the world.
So nice.
It's lush. I've literally never seen one of these in a van before.
This has been constructed by attaching this bar to the uni strut on the roof, and so far it has not fallen on us or leaked, not a creak, so it's excellent. So this is I definitely recommend doing this if you can manage it in your plans. And my other pride and joy is my blackboard.
So we just painted the back 3mm poplar ply and chalkboard paint. So basically we now have like a giant canvas that we can put whatever we want, and the best thing is when you open up the doors and put them all the way around, you can actually have something drawn on the outside as well, which is pretty cool.
That's very cool.
Yep.
10 seconds guys.
Kitchen, quickly, 10 seconds of your kitchen area.
Yeah, so things, this is our kitchen unit, our sink, our water, and storage of all sorts of things, and grapes.
Oh,
Sally.
And that's
she's
our
being
3
the
minutes
alarm.
Like, you had to get the grapes in there.
Had to get the grapes.
Honestly guys, it's so awesome. Like, I love the underfloor heating and like really excited to see it done.
Yeah, and for trying to do it so lightweight, like the quality is amazing.
Yeah.
So props to you guys for that.
And just a last message, what do you do when it's done? Are you going off travelling everywhere?
When it's done, we'll be in it full time. We'll be off in Europe and maybe beyond. We're not sure yet. Depends how easy it is to get to Australia.
Well, you should definitely go and follow these guys to find out if they actually go to Australia.
Yeah, that would be
Please do,
amazing.
we'd love to have you.
Yeah, can we come as well?
Please, I love
Join
the
us on the
company.
convoy.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Fantastic. Well,
Okay.
thank you very much.
Thanks guys.
Thank you for joining us.
Awesome.